If you're wondering why your brand awareness reel ad isn't effective, you may be making one of these common mistakes. Stay tuned to the end to find out what they are and how to fix them. If you're new to my corner of the internet, I'm Coco Mendez, a Facebook ad strategist who clears the complexities of Facebook ads for service-based business owners like yourself. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for up-to-date Facebook ad tips, resources, and tutorials. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, you're using only one ad creative, meaning one reel. One reel is not going to get you anywhere but disappointment. This is the time where you need to be testing at least 3 to 5 different types of reels. Yes, in the end, you can find your winner, but when you're starting off, you definitely want to utilize between 3 to 5 different types of reels. Mistake number 2, there's no soft call to action. And what I mean by that is if you're implementing reels into your everyday content marketing, you may have noticed an effective way of doing a soft call to action. For example, saying follow me for more tips, or even asking a simple question like, does this sound familiar? And last but not least, mistake number 3, you're only targeting one audience. This will not bring the results that you're searching for, especially with brand awareness. If you're only testing with one audience, you want to make sure you have at the very least 2, because of course we do want to find our winner, but this is probably the reason why it is not that effective in the first place, by only targeting one audience. I'll see you on my next video on how to use a reel ad to build your email list.